Hi guys, I am Shilpa and welcome to my channel Things to Learn by Shilpa, where I upload new videos every Tuesday. Now today's video is about kinetic theory of matter. So the three topics which will be covered by me in this video are: number 1, what is kinetic theory of matter; number 2, postulates of the kinetic theory of matter; and number 3, kinetic model of three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. So let's begin the video. The first topic is about what is kinetic theory of matter. Now matter is made up of particles, that is atoms, molecules or ions. Now the kinetic theory of matter visualizes that any substance, whether solid, liquid or gas, is made up of particles, that is atoms, molecules or ions. And these particles are always in constant motion. That means the particles are always moving. The second point is about postulates of the kinetic theory of matter. Now the word postulate means assumption. There are 5 postulates of the kinetic theory of matter. So the first postulate is about composition of matter. Now matter is made up of particles, that is atoms, molecules or ions, and for a particular substance the particles or the constituent particles of a particular substance are similar in all aspects. The second point is about arrangement of particles. Now these particles, they have spaces between them, or the particles of a given substance have spaces between them, and these spaces are known as interparticle spaces or intermolecular spaces. The third point is about intermolecular force. Now the particles of a given substance have force of attraction between them, and this interparticle attraction is known as intermolecular force. Now the fourth point is about motion. Now the particles of a given substance are always in motion, and due to this they possess kinetic energy. Now the fifth point is about temperature. Now we know kinetic energy of a particle is directly proportional to temperature. That means if we heat the substance, the particles will start moving, and as a result they will get kinetic energy. Now the third topic is about kinetic model of three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. So and this kinetic model is explained on the basis of postulates of the kinetic theory of matter, and so let's know about them. Now we are going to study about kinetic model of three states of matter. Now this kinetic model is based on the postulates of kinetic theory of matter. Now the three states of matter we know are solids, liquid and gas. So first of all we will study about solid. Let's consider this as solid. And this as particles. So let's consider this as particles. That is atoms, molecules or ions. Now we are considering this spaces or the spaces done with black as interparticle space. interparticle space. Particle space. So let's know about it. Now the first postulate was about composition of matter. Now we can see that solid is made up of particles, that means atoms, molecules or ions. Now the second point was about arrangement of particle or interparticle spaces. Now we can see that as the solid particles are closely arranged, so there is negligible interparticle space between the solid particles. The third point was about intermolecular force. As they are closely arranged, or as the particles of solid are closely arranged or closely packed, so the intermolecular force of attraction between the solid particles is very strong. Now the fourth point was about motion. Now we can see that these solid particles have hardly any space between them, so they vibrate about their mean position. So the fifth point is about temperature. That means if we heat these solid particles, then the heat energy which will be supplied to them, as a result of that they will gain kinetic energy. Now the kinetic energy will increase the vibration of these particles, and when the vibration will become stronger, the force of attraction will not be able to hold all the particles together, and as a result it will decrease or it will become weaker, and the solid particles from the surface will slowly it will start changing into liquid particles when the vibration will become stronger. Now let's understand the kinetic model of liquid. Let us consider this as a liquid and this as particles. That means atoms, molecules or ions. And this black spaces as interparticle space. So the first postulate was about composition of matter. So we can say that liquid is made up of particles, that is atoms, molecules or ions. Now the second point was about arrangement of particles. Now we can see that there is interparticle space between the liquid particles. Now the third point is about intermolecular force. Now as there is interparticle space between the liquid particles, force of attraction is not so strong, and as a result the liquid particles can move over one another. Now the fourth point is about motion of liquid particles. Now we can see that as there are interparticle space between the liquid particles and the intermolecular force of attraction is not so strong, so the liquid particles are in random and irregular motion. Now the fifth point is about temperature. Now if we heat the liquid particles, then the intermolecular force of attraction between the particles will decrease and the interparticle space will increase, and the liquid will start escaping as gas or vapor from the surface of the liquid. So let's know about the kinetic model of gas. Now if we consider this as gas, as particles, so if we consider this black portions as interparticle spaces. So the first postulate was about composition of matter. So we can see that gas is made up of particles, that is atoms, molecules or ions. The second postulate was about interparticle space. We can see that there are large interparticle spaces between the gaseous particles. The third point is about intermolecular force. Now, as the interparticle spaces between the gaseous particles are large, we can say that there is negligible interparticle or force of attraction, or there is negligible intermolecular forces of attraction between the gaseous particles. Now, the fourth point is about motion. Now, as there is negligible intermolecular forces of attraction between the gaseous particles, the particles are free to move within the entire space available to them. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all liked watching my video. If you do like my video, then please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel Things to Learn by Shilpa. Thank you for watching my video.